Alright, this is the SAM Module 6 Project A or Project 1, the Escalante State College project. So let's go ahead and open that file, the S or 6A Your Name 1. We're going to do a quick save as. So file save as, and then save it to wherever you save your assignment work. I'm just naming mine 2 video because I'm doing it with this video. Alright, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first step, we're going to change our layout to portrait from landscape. So go to your layout orientation portrait, and then we're going to convert the 5 paragraph starting from college advisor down to engineering Allison. We're going to convert that text to so insert a table, convert text to table, 2 columns, 5 rows, fixed length, fixed column width, and then we're going to separate by the tabs. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the grid table 2 accent 2 table style. So grid table 2 accent 2. Alright, and then we're going to set up our document as a form letter. So we're going to open up that Mailings tab, start mail merge, step-by-step mail merge wizard. We're going to do a letter, use the current document, next, and we are going to type a new list and then create. Alright, and so here we're going to go ahead and start right away to customize our columns. We're going to eliminate the company name field. So delete, yes. We're going to delete the country region field, the home or the work phone and email address. So work phone and email address. We're going to change the zip code field to postal code. So we're going to click on zip code, rename it, and then double click on zip, change that to postal. Okay, and then the home phone, we're going to rename that one as cell phone. And then we're going to add one field called session. Okay, and then we've got our fields, click OK. Then we're just going to enter the data that's in that table with the recipient addresses. So the first record is going to be Ms. and her name is Ann Hayes. Address line 1 is 2702 Carley, C-A-R-L-E-Y. And then make sure you're spelling out the words Carley Street. She lives in capital APT period 310, apartment 310. She's in the city of Chicago, Illinois. Her postal code is 60290. Her cell phone is open parentheses 773 close parentheses space 555-10828. And her session is July. Tab to the next field. And then now we've got Mr. Ben Tang. He lives at 1435 River Road. No address line 2. He's from Windsor, Ontario, ON. His postal code is N8N. His cell phone is 519-555-6781. Alright. Now let's go ahead and say OK. And then you can go ahead and save it with whatever name you want. I'm just going to go ahead and save it back in my assignments file in my Module 6 SAM projects. And I'm going to call it my Escalante list. Whoa! Alright, now if this happened to you, you will have to edit it because there should have saved our record for Ben Tang. I don't know what happened here. Mr. Ben Tang. Sorry about that. 1435 River Road. Six, 7, 8, 1. Oops, I'm sorry, his session was August. Alright. Okay, I want to save the changes. Alright, and then if you have an extra one like I do, I'm just going to click on this, say edit, and select that entry and delete it. Sorry about that, I don't know why that happened. Alright. So now, while we're here, let's go ahead and we're going to sort this right away. We're going to filter it, I believe. Yeah, let's apply our filter, and we're going to filter it by the field session equal to July. Okay. So that's good. So we can click OK. That's going to be step number 9. But while we're there, we might as well just go ahead and do it. Alright, so then step number 5 says select that date placeholder and choose the date June 11th, 2021. So we're going to go navigate to June of 2021 and select the 11th. We're going to select that inside address placeholder and use the Mr. Joshua Randall Jr. format. So I'm going to navigate to this, write my letter, click on address block, Mr. Joshua Randall Jr. Okay. And then here, we're just going to delete that placeholder text. Insert greeting line, select the text. We're going to click on greeting line, and here we're going to choose Dear Joshua with a colon. So Dear Joshua, change that to a colon. Okay. And then again, we're going to delete the placeholder text. Alright, so the next step says, in the last paragraph of the body of the letter, so right here, the sessions part, we're going to select the word session with the bracket before and after it, and we're going to insert our merge field for session. And then just make sure if you eliminate those brackets, but make sure you have a space before and after. Alright, step number 9, we just did that. We filtered it by session. And then, let's go ahead and just do a quick save here. And then now step number 10 says complete our mail merge by doing the following. And this is kind of important, so we're going to go preview our letter. This is what it's going to look like. Alright, and then we're going to say complete. This is where we would do that filter if we needed to. But we're going to go ahead and complete the merge, edit individual documents, all records, and it's going to open up in a new document. So you can see this has got just 2 pages, one person, Ann Hayes. We're going to do a Control A to select all of the text. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to close this one without saving it. I'm going to come back to this document that I'm working on and bring my insertion point to the top of page 2 and go ahead and paste that document in there. Alright, so while I'm here, I'm going to want to make sure that I turn off the preview results. So this first page doesn't have the data in it. And then right here, we're going to come down to the bottom where we have this page break. We're going to insert our insertion point right there. We're going to delete once to get rid of the page break, delete a second time to get rid of the section break, and then delete again to get rid of that other section break. And then I'm just going to leave one backspace to leave one space right there. I'm going to go ahead and save this work. And this is our finished project. So you've got the one letter. Make sure preview results are deselected so you see address block and greeting line. And then over here you've got Ms. Ann Hayes letter, 2702 Carley Street, apartment APT 310, Chicago. It should say July for the July session right here. And then there we go. Alright, that project is finished.